Yo, J3. What's up? What do you got up your sleeve this weekend?
Haven't really thought about it yet.
You're kind of starting to wear out the Denver area a little bit and the foothills. You made a lot of videos up here.
Gonna do more tubing down the Boulder Creek. We go throw some salad out for some chipmunks. Hopefully this will get some views for you.
Keep running your mouth for a guy who doesn't ever put anything up. Gonna go up to the Gross Dam, try to get some drone footage. Go over to the Flatirons, try to get drone footage
One
there.
of those anonymous names hiding behind the keyboard.
Okay. How about we try something different? Something a little bit further southwest. Something like PAGOSA Springs.
You might have a valid point. Absolutely. PAGOSA Springs it is?
Yeah, buddy.
Let's roll, partner.
The RV of my Uncle Dan. Brief look in here real quick. He's in the bathroom shaving. So his RV is in CREEDE, Colorado. He moved here, I don't know, a month or so ago. Took up some work at a restaurant, a local restaurant. And he's found a really good life up here in CREEDE. So this is kind of the base camp of this weekend's adventure. And then PAGOSA Springs is like an hour and a half from here, something like that. So that's where we're gonna go today. There's the man of the house himself, looking pretty as usual, looking like a sophisticated.
So this is the building where I keep my vending stuff stored. So
So that thing has to be just right back there.
no, I had cord taped up.
Oh.
I stuffed it back in the hole.
Some skinny pop, Miss Vicky's chips. Uh-oh, what's a Reese's doing in there? That's not healthy. Naughty, naughty.
That's my request.
That's my request.
Never do what the boss wants.
On the job training right
It's
now.
got
Smokehouse barbecue. Just stick it up in here about right here. And have to have
Be
this.
gentle, try not to break the chips.
Okay, try not to break it. Stick the corn out like that. I mean, this is my first time on order like a pro. Now, I don't know if this machine has it, but you see a couple of stickers that say Dan's favorite. And this machine doesn't have them, but some do. You can get one of the favorites of Dan at your fingertips, right there. So, 2 more of these to put in. Miss Vicky's salt and vinegar. Alright, so we drove up here just a little past CREEDE. We stopped at this old mining community.
It's called Last Chance Mine.
Last Chance Mine. And there's all kinds of crazy stuff around here. So
Gold, silver,
gold, silver, frankincense, and myrrh, all that good stuff.
cryptocurrency, they mine for everything up there.
Cryptocurrency too. This guy knows his stuff. So we're gonna send the miniature helicopter up to get a better look. So. Ladies and gentlemen, we stopped along the way. This is what, Pagosa Valley or whatever. And get a look at this view. We got ponds down in there. We got like literal cliffs just hanging off of here. Man, I wish you could cut. Oh man, I just put my first hole in my swim trunks. Oh yeah, here's the view. Holy smoke! No pun intended. Look at that drop off. If I ever want to up my athletic abilities, I'm gonna get a wingsuit, and this would be the perfect spot just to take a wingsuit and Superman. Oh, UD's breaking the law. He wants me to join him breaking the law. It's fenced up, but he wants to hike this, so I guess we'll go over here. One step on the rock at a time. See, when you hang out with UD, he's a good influence. He likes you to break the law a little bit, which I'm okay with breaking the law every now and then. Apparently it's been broken many times before out here. People even kick down the fence. Holy smoke!
UD breaks some rules, but it's worth it.
It's worth it. The end result is definitely the prized possession. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, the fence ends. That means there's no more restrictions. Like a little kid in the candy shop. Wow, look at this. There's like a rock with a hole in it. Wow. Look at that tree. Be real careful here. Mother Rum's not going to be very mad.
Dude, you're in Crocs.
Porting out the trucks. Woo! I'm getting vertigo now. Holy smoke.
No, dude, the wind's blowing, you're in Crocs.
You want to go take a gander? Are you good?
No.
Whew, the willies went from my head to my toes. Ah! Here's some of the hot springs in the downstairs area. It's like personal little hot tubs up in here. Oh yeah, it's like straight up hot tub. Oh, yeah. It kind of feels too hot right now. I need to like get chilly and then get in there. I'm having beverage of choice. He's having beverage of choice. Boom, hot springs. Spring spa. So you come, you get your muscles all relaxed in the spa. If you want to pay some extra money, you can get a massage in there, which we're probably going to skip. But yeah, just a yard that they've turned into something new and interesting.
Adventure today.
Adventure today.
August 22nd?
22nd, yes.
Saturday, August 22nd.
Saturday, August 22nd, Pagosa Springs. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think this is going to wrap it up. It's been a very eventful weekend. It's not quite exactly how I planned. We were planning on spending like a little bit more time in Pagosa Springs, but we didn't go to the right spot right off the bat. But nonetheless, it was a good time up here in CREEDE, Colorado, and Pagosa Springs. CREEDE is like an area that gets passed by when people are heading to Durango. It's a small town and not that many tourists come through here, so it's very much a hometown vibe when the locals stay here. But anyway, thanks for watching this episode. Definitely see you on the next. Peace.